Contracts come in all shapes and sizes, and they're used by every department in your company. Long, short, simple, complex, legacy, or newly drafted, what they all share is that they're each loaded with the rights, obligations, and risks that are vital to the success of your business. For most companies, these contracts are stored on hard drives, in file cabinets, or in outdated document management systems. Unfortunately, these obsolete storage methods make it truly impossible for companies to get a full understanding of their contracts. Welcome to Exari. Here, we provide a complete enterprise contract management platform, allowing you to quickly and easily capture and operationalize your contract data to help increase your revenue, control your costs, and minimize your risk. Let's take a look at how it works. Today's hyper-competitive global economy demands that you know every clause buried inside every agreement. And a single contract can outline everything from your termination rights to payment terms, IP protections, liability limitations, and more. Now think about the thousands of contracts in your company's portfolio. How do you know what your current terms are? Have you breached any covenants that could cost you real money? Do you know who's negotiating your contracts? To answer these questions, you need to know both the terms of each individual contract and the exposure posed by your entire contract portfolio. Today, getting access to this data is extremely time-consuming, error-prone, and expensive. Until now. With Exari, you can capture every contract across your entire enterprise, no matter whether it was drafted by you, your counterparty, or it's a legacy contract from that acquisition you did years ago. How? By automatically scanning your documents and intelligently capturing every piece of valuable data with an unprecedented level of speed and accuracy. And because all the data is mapped to Exari's innovative universal contract model, only Exari can tell you the prevailing terms of every contract. That's right, what every right and obligation means today, not just when you sign the contract. With your documents transformed into data, you're now able to analyze and operationalize your contracts like never before. Comprehensive insight into your liabilities allow you to tightly monitor and manage your risk. By keeping your rights and obligations at your fingertips, you can stay ahead of all renewals and performance commitments so you never miss a deadline. And instant reporting means that you can easily access the information you need, whether it's for a regular business report, an M&A event, or an urgent request from the C-suite. When it comes to successfully understanding your contracts, close enough just isn't good enough. You need instant access to accurate and actionable contract data. You need 100% contract certainty from Exari, the world's most complete enterprise-class contract management platform.